Hello friends, this is V.P.Srikanth from SKTK and today right in this video, let's see how to get Pubg running on your lower spec device. Without any further ado, let's get started. Pubg was the most popular PC game which came out of nowhere and broke all sort of records. Now it is ported to iOS and as well as Android to satisfy the hungers of mobile gamers, but it is quite hardware demand. So here are my few tips that will make your low spec device even running Pubg. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Clearing up storage space makes a huge bump up in your performance because as we are using lower end devices, we have tended to it makes the performance very laggy. So clear up your storage space.
Make sure to clear all the background tasks running on your device and also free up the RAM. It makes a huge difference. In Pubg settings, go to graphics and turn the graphics all the way to down and make the frame rate lower, and also disable the lost feature. If you have enough headroom, you can increase the frame rate to medium. Go to audio settings and turn off all the audios, because if the game tries to generate the audio, it will also affect the video quality. Also try to remove your phone case while gaming, as putting a case on your device makes it to prevent the heat to dissipate from the device, and it relatively makes a hit in the performance. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe my channel for more tech related videos. I'll catch you in the next one.